Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Aviator Updates. This is Rakesh Negi and I am an aviation enthusiast. Today we are going to discuss about what is an altimeter in its basics and also about what is pressure altitude and indicator altitude. So let's start. So basically altimeter is a cockpit instrument which gives indications of altitude. It is basically a manometer which is calibrated to the standard pressure and temperature laws. The only input parameter to the altimeter is the ambient pressure. To be more clear, it is the static pressure which is given to the altimeter. Now, as you know that the only pressure input given to the altimeter is ambient pressure, so that it indicates the altitude or called parametric altitude. So I'm going to explain this using a graph. Say this. Suppose the x-axis represents the pressure and y-axis represents the pressure altitude. Okay, that is PA. PA is the pressure altitude and this is the pressure. Now we know that at sea level the standard pressure is how much? 1013.25 hectopascal. So I'll mark it here. 1013.25 hectopascal. So this is the pressure at sea level, and we have discussed in my previous video that as altitude increases the pressure decreases. So see how does the pressure decrease? The pressure decreases this way. Okay, so the pressure is decreasing with the increasing altitude. Suppose there is an ambient pressure of 570 hectopascal. Okay, so we have reached some altitude and the pressure have decreased to 570. Suppose how much would be that altitude? Let's find out. Okay, suppose the altitude here is 15,000 feet. Okay, that means with a pressure of 570 hectopascal, the pressure altitude will be 15,000 feet. Okay, next we know well in the altimeter there is a knob called as the pressure setting knob. So now let's learn about that setting knob. So via that pressure setting knob, if you set a pressure of 900 hectopascal, okay, I mean to say using that pressure setting knob, if you set a pressure of 900 hectopascal, what will be the pressure altitude? Let's check. Let's extend this again in the same way, and so the altitude which corresponds to 900 hectopascal will be somewhere around 3000 feet. Suppose 3000 feet. Okay, so just see friends, with ambient pressure of 570 hectopascal, the altitude will be 15,000, and with the pressure setting knob set to 900 hectopascal, the altitude is 3000 feet. Now if you see these points, if you see this surface and this surface, so these are the two pressure surfaces which we have. This is because of the 900 hectopascal, which is the reference pressure set by you. So between these two, whatever is the distance or difference, that is the called as the indicated altitude, IA. So between these two pressure surfaces, the difference is called as indicated altitude. So the altimeter would be indicating the indicated altitude. Now what is indicated altitude? Indicated altitude is the difference between two pressure surfaces. What are those two pressure surfaces? The pressure surface because of the ambient pressure. So this is the ambient pressure, PAMB. I'll write this is the ambient pressure. This is the pressure surface because of this, and the other pressure is the reference pressure or the pressure which is set using the pressure setting knob. So this is the reference pressure, that is PREF. Okay, that is indicated altitude is equal to ambient pressure minus pressure setting. Note that this ambient pressure is the pressure of the actual location of the aircraft, and reference pressure is the pressure which is set using the pressure setting knob. Okay, so I hope you are clear with indicated altitude. Next, what is pressure altitude? Pressure altitude is the altitude which is measured by using pressure. So one of the example of pressure altitude is 15,000 feet. By measuring pressure of 570 hectopascal, we get this pressure, which is the pressure altitude. Okay, so at each altitude there will be certain pressure, and that pressure would correspond to a certain altitude value called as the pressure altitude. So what we have learned is, first one is the only input to altimeter is ambient pressure or static pressure. Second point is pressure altitude is the altitude measured using pressure, and indicate altitude is the altitude which is the vertical distance between these two pressure surfaces, reference pressure and the ambient pressure. So I hope you are clear with what is altimeter, how does it operate, how does it indicate the altitude, and also we have discussed about what is pressure altitude and what is indicator altitude. I'll come up again with a new topic in the next session. Till then, enjoy learning. Thank you.